Okay, so we are rolling. So this morning, I'm going over to the renovation job site, and we're going to be putting hardy board on today. We were doing that at the end of last week, and we'll be doing more of it today. So I thought I'd bring the camera along and show you how I do hardy board. So I'll talk to you when we get there. Okay, so we just got to the job site. Spill my coffee right away. That's a good plan. Just got to the job site, and so I'll show you what we got going on here. So this is the project that we're working on. This house has been being renoed for the last few months, and today we're going to be putting siding on, as much of it as we can, but we'll probably be starting with this section back here on the house. So we'll go around here. There's Graham. Say good morning, Graham.
Morning, Graham.
So we'll start here, and I'll show you guys what's going on. Coffee number 2. What you're watching me do here is lay out the stud spacing for where the studs are behind the tieback. I'm doing this so that our hardy board nails can be nailed into studs. You want to try and make sure that as many nails are into studs as possible. Hardy board, or hardy, suggests that at least 60% of your nails should be into studs. So what I'm doing is I've just pulled out 16 inches on center from my starting point, which was my nail. Now I'm going to come back with my level and mark level, which should run in line with each of the studs. The next step in this process is to add these 1-inch rips of hardy over the flashing. This is to hold the bottom of the first course out to match the future courses that will be installed above. You will notice we are slipping a small piece of Tyvek behind the seams where 2 boards butt together. This is to prevent any water that gets through the seam from being able to get behind the hardy. We use a level to make sure the second course of siding is on track, and then use our siding gauges for future courses. Okay, so I just want to talk about this process a little bit, what we're doing. So these boards have a nail line that's pressed into them from the factory. So your nails have to be as close to that line as possible. And your nails want to be set like that. They don't want to be deeper than that, and they don't want to be shallower than that. They don't want to be sticking out. So you have to adjust your nail gun to get them to set like that. And then you just use the grinder to notch certain portions to go around the flashing, and then you just nail it on. So we'll just try and do this. So I'm nailing on the stud here, just like that. See, that nail's a little deep, but it's okay. And then these gauges, they slip underneath with this tab, like that, and you lock them in, and the next piece sits on there, so it holds it at the right height all the way across. Oh yeah, buddy. Nice! All right. Okay, so now we are going to start working on this section here. So we got to cut a piece that starts here, goes up, tapers, and then this side also has to taper on the bottom. So these cuts are really challenging and can be a bit of a pain, but the same fundamentals still apply. 1.25 inch lap, and put Tyvek in between and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, that's good fun. I'll just show you what we were able to get accomplished today. So we did this whole section here, and we did around this corner as well. And we also did this little section here, and then we moved on and started going up that side there towards the top of the roof. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hit the like, subscribe, comment, all that kind of stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.